Hello everyone, and welcome back to another Arlec how-to. Today, we will be showing you how to use the multicolour wireless door chime. Inside this packaging, you will find three items: a chime unit, a remote, and some mounting items. You have the choice between double-sided tape and screws and anchors. This product is rated IP55, which means that it is weatherproof, and when it isn't obstructed, you will find that this has a 120 meter wireless range. On the side of the portable chime unit, you will find a control panel here. The mode button allows you to select whether you want a strobing or a continuous light. You can also select whether you want a chime or light alert, or a combination of both. Just slide the tab here. The device features red, green, or blue LED lighting. Slide the switch onto your color preference. On the other side, you will find volume control and the code button, which is used for pairing remotes. This chime unit requires 4 AA batteries, which you can insert here at the back. Once you install all the batteries, you will hear a beep sound. Now I will show you how to pair one remote to one unit. Remove the plastic tab from the remote, then press to sync it. To connect multiple chimes to one remote, complete the same process. Insert the batteries on the second chime unit and then press the button on the remote to sync. You can connect up to 4 different remotes to one chime unit using this code button. Hold down this button until you hear a beep. Then push your second remote to sync it. A light or sound will let you know that you have paired. There are 8 different chime tones. To change your tone, open the back panel. Do this by pressing the tab here with a flathead screwdriver. Then, press the black button here to cycle through your tones, and stop once you have found your desired tone. The units can also be mounted to a wall by using either double-sided tape or screws and anchors. For optimal performance, install your unit 1 meter above ground. For any more questions or assistance, visit our website or refer to the contact numbers at the end of this video. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time.